हेलो फ्रेंड्स। रिसेंटली एक पेपर आया है, परसों परसों ही आया है। 3 तारीख को पेपर आया था जो न्यूरो साइंस में है, एंड बाय एंड्रयू वर्सन हु विच इज़ ऑन कॉन्शियसनेस रिसर्च। मतलब उन्होंने क्लेम किया है कि कॉन्शियसनेस एक लाइक एपिसोडिक मेमोरी, लाइक it evolved as a memory system which can be used by the brain to creatively and flexibly make future decisions. And I think कि ये पेपर जो है काफ़ी फंडामेंटल है, एंड दिस विल, अगर ये इसके लिए और एविडेंस निकलता है एंड लोग इस पे कंसेंसस लोगों का बनता है, देन इफ दे स्विच टू दिस थ्योरी, देन ऑल द व्यूज लाइक पैनसाइकिज्म की हर एक में कॉन्शियसनेस है, एंड द fundamental beliefs of many religion or many philosophy would be मतलब put aside, like Vedanta. In Vedanta theory, which was very much which was very much popular, that everything has consciousness, from which the panpsychism view came out, like Pragyanam Brahma, कि ब्रह्मा मतलब consciousness is the ultimate reality. It is the thing which has made everything else in the world. Like you can ask what everything is made up of. You will go to quark, gluons, then you will break down to further fundamental particles. But by reductionist method, you will only lead to or more fundamental particles which have not yet been discovered. But ultimately, the Vedanta philosophy used to say that ultimately everything is, if you go down much further, then ultimately everything is made up of consciousness. But these things, if this theory is proven to be right, then all these things have to be put aside. Only the teachings you can take it, but all the fundamental assumptions which were there present about consciousness would have to be put aside if this theory is proven to be correct. And I think that this theory is very much more sound and more fundamental, because I searched the background of the professor Andrew Burson who did it. He devoted his entire lifetime on memory research, Alzheimer's disease. So he thought, why I have the ability to explain the consciousness, let me devise it. And he took help of a philosopher to come up with all the research and all the philosophical discussions which have been, like, people know consciousness exists. They have identified what are the properties, which theory, like the most advanced theory up until yet was IIT integrated information theory. They were proposing that everything has consciousness, we can measure it. In consciousness is information integration. So they were highlighting some of the properties and trying to explain some of the properties by their own theory. So he learnt all the properties which were attributed to consciousness, and then he tried to frame the question ki, can I develop a theory based upon my understanding, based upon my personal observations, which explains all these things. And he came with a successful theory, and that paper got accepted in a journal, in a famous journal. So I think this, give it a read, and I have attached the link to an article which discusses this, and also at the end of the article there is the link to the research paper. Okay.